intense. So we got Aniyah taking on Chance. So this is gonna be intense. So Jormungand 7, Octa Plus, upgrading the burst resistance of my plus system, and we're gonna have Blizzard Thrasher. So yeah, so Chance has multiple bays. So yeah, I call Chance Hope for Crisis, and then just Chance for Thrasher. Yeah, it's gonna be intense. And boom. Oh, this is gonna be intense. We got another stamina battle. So it's gonna be intense. Stamina wise, I'm gonna give it to Octa, but who knows? Maybe Blizzard Thrasher can win by OS. Uh-oh. Yo, this is gonna be intense. No way. No way! And dude! It actually takes it. Well, damn. Well, alright, well, that's one. Like, it's definitely putting in some work. It's done. Yo, these hits. Yo, these hits. Barrage attacks. Okay, some barrage attacks. The blades is coming out on Thrasher. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No way. No way. Just gotta push it more and I think Jormungand took it by a little bit. Alright, so 1-1. I'm gonna redo that. Alright. And boom! Alright, yo, barrage! Yo, these barrage attacks! Yo, barrage attacks! But the blades on Thrasher came out. That's not good for Thrasher. That is not good for Thrasher and Aniyah. Alright, so that is 2-1. Okay. 2-1. Okay. And boom. Alright, come on, big hit. 2-1, yo, the blades. Barrage attacks. Uh-oh. A little bit of barrage attacks for Aniyah. Yo, Aniyah is keeping her balance for sure, man. And that is 3-1. Alright, 3-1. Boom. And boom. Dang it. Okay. I know that's damn it. Dude, really? Okay. Trying not to stop the camera, but damn it. It went all the way underneath my bed. I can't crawl underneath the bed. I have to lift my mattress up, so that's why. Damn it, you son of a little gun. Okay, the leg fell off of the stadium. Okay. Son of a little gun. Okay, there we go. Alright, that's 3-1. Okay. We was going around like that, circling around like that. Oh, big hit, yo, that was a big hit. Uh-oh. We're getting right into it, the blades. The barrage attacks, uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. That's not good for Aniyah. It's literally going down. Uh-oh, no way. And yo, it managed to hang on with that. Alright, that's 4-1. If Aniyah takes it again, then and damn it. Okay. I'm not doing that. Boom. And boom. Alright, big hit. Oh, big hit. Yo, the blades. Dude, let's go, bro. Yo, the blades. Uh-oh. Yo, Thrasher needs to get on balance. That's not good, man. The Octa. And the Octa. Yo, Aniyah, dude. Aniyah ain't playing. Oh, damn it. Aniyah taking the win over Chance. So that was intense. Not gonna lie. I kind of like that battle. Not too bad.